Hello everyone, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the Christmas song, Silver Bells. This is a nice, easy Christmas song to get started with. We're only going to be using 3 chords and a very easy strum pattern. So let's go ahead and dive right into it.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Strings of streetlights, even stoplights, blink a bright red and green as the shoppers run home with their treasures. Hear the snow crunch, see the kids bunch. This is Santa's big scene, and above all the bustle you'll hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
So I'm using the 3 chords G, C add 9, and D over F sharp. Now when you do get to the C add 9, you want to keep in mind that for that chord, we're starting our strumming on the A string. The low E string is not part of the C add 9, okay? Even if you play the traditional C, same rule applies. That low E string is not part of that chord. So you need to start your strumming on the A string. For the strum pattern for this song, I'm using the swing pattern, which is a 3-beat strum pattern. So we're gonna have 3 down strums with an up strum added after beat 3, and then we repeat. We're also going to just be plucking the first note of the chord for the first beat of each measure. So for that G, for instance, I'm just going to be plucking the E string, which is the G note, for the first beat of each measure. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. All right, if you'd like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.